Warning: the following video contains flashing and pulsating lights which may trigger epileptic seizures and migraines in individuals with epilepsy and individuals who are prone to migraines. People who have epilepsy or are prone to migraines should look away from their screens during testing, skip the testing part, or close the video before testing.
20th Century Purcell Fox and J&A are not liable for any injuries or deaths caused by this video.
Hello y'all. Today I got this package from the mail and I'm going to open it up. This is actually the third and final installment of the Kidde i12080/1285 Evolution series. Because it is a Kidde i12080A. And here's a teaser for the next J&A collabs episode. A Kidde 1285K. But anyways, this is not that episode. Today is this video. So here we go. I'm gonna unbox this, and you can see this one's box is a wreck. So, we got the dust cover, the mounting plate, the manual, please see manual, the tamper resist pin, the wiring harness, and the alarm itself. And the manufacturing date is 2021 June 15th. I was expecting this to be older. That's actually 3 days before my birthday. I think it was my 12th birthday. Alright, pull the tabs. Here's the batteries I came with. Oh wow, a shadowless Kidde logo for the carbon zinc, but for the alkaline, the one with the shadow. Interesting. Let's give it a test. Wow, that is bright. Let me test it again. Oh, what the? That is insane. Alright, I'm going to go get a carbon monoxide alarm so I can test a function on it that you're about to see. Alright, I have it connected to a CAN COBIC, so let's give it a test. Strange. Let me see what's going on with it. I'll be right back. Alright, I think I've corrected the issue. So let's give it another test. That's cool. The escape light flashes just like the 1285. That is amazing. Alright. Hope you're all... Hang on. Let me do a comparison of all three. So I got the first generation i12080 out. And you can see they look very similar. However, the i12080A has an LED light bulb, while the first gen i12080 has an incandescent light bulb. And currently this doesn't have batteries, but it also tests very differently. So let me get some batteries and I'll be right back. So here's how the i12080A tests. And here's how the that was the i12080A. And here's how the i12080 first gen tests. Alright. Hope you all like this this quick video. I will see y'all soon. See ya. See you in J&A Collabs Season 1, Episode 4.